Here we have a set of our R-091s. These are all in the earlier models, the Supras, and also they go into the 3000 GTs and several other vehicles from the 1998 and all the way to 1989. On the one on the left hand side is the 440, and the one on the right hand side is 550. These fuel injectors we can build all the way up to 900 cc's. Here you can see the differences in the 440s and the 550s as we go through the 0 RPMs all the way to the 8,000 RPMs. You can definitely see the atomization that's going on, the fog which is down in the tube. This is what gives you your high performance. We flow match all of our fuel injectors at TLF Performance Parts, plus we double check every 1,000 RPMs to make sure that they are flow matched and ready to go in your vehicle. Here we have our R-091s. The one here is the 440 cc's. As you can tell, you can see the pintle on there. And this one right here is our high performance one, which is our 550 cc's. These are low impedance. These are used on a lot of the Supras and also used on a lot of the 3000 GTs, a lot of the models that are from 98 and down. As you can tell by the look of these, this is when we first get them and we rebuild them. This is one that comes to you with the boot and the caps and everything else on them. All of our fuel injectors are flow matched, and it comes with the flow sheets, and it tells you what impedance they are.